My first experience with a ghost,
Witches
I
are
tell you,
nice.
I went to a boarding school in Panchgani, right, St. Peter's. Now,
Lot of horror stories
Yes.
happen in Panchgani.
So-
I have
Because
three
a bunch
from
of boys
Panchgani.
get
I have.
no. So there
I
was
have
this. We used to have. I mean, school was established in 1902. So and it's lots of like space and like jungle and किसी को मार डाला तो 7 दिन मिलेगा नहीं body type situation.
आइडिया मत दे, पब्लिक देख रहा है podcast.
और बहुत लोग बोर्डिंग स्कूल में
नहीं
रहते हैं।
अभी पंचगिनी फुल कमर्शियलाइज हो गया तो गो ट्राई फाइंडिंग प्लेस इन पंचगिनी सो व्हाट हैपेंस विद व्हाट यूज्ड टू हैपन इज देयर वाज
तू
दिस
चैलेंज दे रहा है लोगों को।
No. So there was this place called Lawrence Villa, which was one of our boarding schools, one of our dorms. And over there, apparently, there used to be this one girl in a sari who would be wearing a green color sari and walking around, not white, green color sari and walking around. And she used to take rounds of the ground. I have never seen this shit.
This was some environmentally friendly
अपने भूत भी ना
fetish.
इतने संस्कृति वाले भूत है साड़ी पहनने की, ठीक
हरा
है?
पर हरा।
हाथ में
काला-
नहीं, मैंने
काला
व्हाइट
नहीं।
साड़ी वाला देखा है, मैंने देखा नहीं है, बट मेरे फैमिली ने देखा है. अगेन फकिंग नो, नॉट पंचगनी, इट वाज फकिंग पंचगनी.
Guys,
Yeah.
this is a group rumor that has been started by family in Panchgani.
Yeah, I think they want to take the
It's
land or
Amir Khan.
whatever.
Because Amir has a bungalow.
So उसका अकेले का बंगला है उधर. No, so this is grown-up members from my family. So there used to be this Telco resort.
Yeah.
So my Nana used to work at Tata. So by default, Mama got a job there. Nana passed away, but you could rent the
No, you
vacation
went.
home.
I know exactly which one.
Okay,
you're talking
so
about. Tata Guest House,
Tata Guest House. ठीक
which
है?
I've stayed in. Because
No,
of the
no,
mall.
Yeah.
Don't answer, huh.
So my whole family has gone there. I'm talking about like 20 people. My mom's side, and now holiday home है तो अलग अलग रूम में families है. And my mama, mummy, मासी and बड़ी बुआ. Okay, they all decided to sleep outside. बिस्तरे पे नहीं, बाहर गद्दे लगा के अरे खुले हवा में सोएंगे हम लोग. And I don't know whether it's Bollywood that has ingrained this in people's head या फिर इन लोग कुछ गांजा पी के सोए थे मेरे family. I don't know. But they have woken up in the middle of the night screaming this, that. Because Mami or Masi have seen Chan.
They've seen-
क्योंकि
They've seen Chan Chan.
अरे they've heard and then they've seen white saree में कोई छन करके. और I was 7 or 8 तो मैं तो obviously believe, right? मतलब मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन मिला, हाँ होएगी ये कोई भूत वाली. बट ग्रोन अप पीपल एक्चुअली टॉकिंग नहीं हमने देखा है. चल ये एक स्टोरी हो गया, राइट? सेम प्लेस व्हेन माय नाना वाज अलाइव, माय नाना एंड नानी हैड गॉन फॉर अ हॉलिडे, राइट? एंड सेम बंगलो. सो इन वन ऑफ द रूम्स अटैच जाके बाजू में एक टेबल टेनिस रूम,
I know this.
राइट? आई हैव टोल्ड यू द स्टोरी.
No, I know the
रूम
Tata Guest
ऑल्सो,
House because I've lived. there.
नाना नानी सोए हैं, रात के टाइम पे नानी को आवाज आ रही है. नानी उठ के नाना को अरे हेलो होते कुछ थी बैठो, सिंधी है. नाना लाइक फक ऑफ, नहीं जाने का. नानी लाइक नहीं, लेकिन खुजली होता है ना यूजुअली इन हॉरर मूवीज और इन रियल लाइफ. इफ यू थिंक दैट देयर माइट बी अ प्रेजेंस और व्हाटएवर,
You have to
डोंट
check.
गो.
Exactly, just stay.
No,
Don't go.
I तो don't go. मेरा तो गांड
जगह
नहीं
पे
फटता,
खड़े
मैं
रहे.
तो उधर ही.
उसको अगर तुझे मारना है तो भूत तो आएगा ही ना अंदर. तू
Exactly.
क्यों भूत के पास चल के जा रही है? लेकिन नानी में खुजली, नानी गई है चल के.
नानी
और-
में कुछ
Great t-shirt. Great t-shirt.
नानी को सुलेमानी कीड़े. So she is gone और आवाज आ रहा है टक टक की, कोई खेल रहा है अंदर, ठीक है? ये घोस्ट भी हेल्दी घोस्ट है, टेबल टेनिस
Yeah,
Table
it's a very-
tennis खेल रहा है.
it's a very classic
खोला
ghost.
खोला नथिंग, बंद के अच्छा कुछ नहीं, जाके सोई टक टक वापस टेबल टेनिस, नथिंग, ओपन नथिंग. नेक्स्ट डे at some point in the day she has found a table tennis ball. neither नाना नानी play table tennis, कुछ नहीं और कुछ नहीं, रैकेट वैकेट नहीं है, बॉल मिला है. mystery unsolved. and the
I'll
same
solve
house.
it for you.
हाँ, some बच्चा.
So
You.
no.
क्या होता है actually? it's delayed sports
No,
hallucination.
no,
you want to actually
I'll tell you what it is. So a lot of time,
table tennis elbow.
a table tennis ball is very light. It's super light. So Panchgani is extremely windy. So in a series of formations,
in a closed room.
No, I'll tell you
क्या
why.
है?
No, it's not true. The point is, even the smaller the gap, the more the force of the wind for the wind to enter the room, which is what creates the sound of the ball bouncing. The minute you open the door, obviously there's more space, so the ball is not bouncing anymore.
yeah, but there was no ball. कुछ नहीं था.
कुछ था ही नहीं ना.
अरे बाबा,
It was a
she's seen.
ex-table tennis room.
अरे no, it is a table tennis room. Even
No,
now,
actually-
it is a table tennis room. So the ball must have been lying on the ground somewhere. Nani must have just seen nothing is there, then fucked off, gone back to sleep.
Listen, this
So
is how
ball
you
is gone.
gaslight women into believing that there is no booth. Okay, maybe there was a booth.
Yeah,
Maybe she was going through that.
We are in the same team. We are on the fucking
Oh, yeah.
same team.
But then why? Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
Oh,
I'm
cancel,
trying to.
cancel. मुझे लगता है वहाँ पे भूत
that's
था,
what.
नानी जी
And the
बेचारी।
white sari chan is wind rustle. And which is leaves rustling and all of that jazz. On
How does it form the shape of a woman wearing a white
that
sari?
that
क्या
is
leaves
subliminal.
खुद
No,
leaves
that
साड़ी
is
पहन रहा है?
subliminal
I
and
feel
your
like
mind
you're
is
telling me-
believe.
fetish.
You're telling me that a Tata guest house in Panchgani has a woman in a white sari playing table tennis.
Doing chan
नहीं वो अलग है
अच्छा,
टेबल
अच्छा,
टेनिस
अच्छा।
भूत अलग है टेबल टेनिस भूत अलग है व्हाइट साड़ी अलग है
Just
they're
a
not the
woman
same
in-
thing
I'm try-
no I don't know she's a table tennis player
अरे
Maybe she-
bro, they both don't fucking exist.
हाँ
Okay, they both of it doesn't happen. It's not existing.
But I would
do
love to
मेरे को
have a
वहाँ की
table
बिल्ली ने
tennis
बोला
ghost.
तेरे को वहाँ की बिल्ली ने बोला.
But is there an equivalent for safed sari woman in men? Every chudel and every booth is usually they go
Dracula,
to-
Dracula.
नहीं वो सफेद साड़ी I have from like underlying
From sadhana.
sexual fetish
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, from
Clearly,
sadhana.
तो वो sexual fetish is going even into भूत मेरी
Yeah.
भूत भी सेक्सी होनी चाहिए भाई ऐसा नहीं और वो चलते
लेकिन
चलते एक
संस्कारी
वाटरफॉल
भूत
के
भी
नीचे
बहुत-
आ
But
जाए
that's also true now. If you see any of these horror Hindi film trailers, they're chudels, so they have a bad body and a bad face and all, but their bod is fucking outstanding.
yeah, because booth is also working out. They want the chudel
Yeah.
also fucking
मेरे
work
को
out.
बाबा हॉरर मूवी कैसा देखना है देखना है चूड़े लाइए लेकिन बॉडी मस्त है क्या
मैं तो देखता
अरे
ही
यार,
यार bro.
item है।
तू
कितना
नहीं
टेबल
समझ
टेनिस
रहा है।
खेलती होगी ये
My mom recently, so my mom has this thing. I call every time I go to a new house. My mom has to come to check the vibe, and I strictly tell her to check
Vastu
the vibe.
and all of that.
No, just a vibe. Like she immediately says something, and it mostly ends up being true.
Oh,
But
like
she's like,
she-
"Oh, this house is very nice." Khatak, it'll come out means this house is nice. It's in my head.
Okay. So like if she walks in and says, "Oh, Dadaji," then you
Then,
like,
yeah, then screwed. Shit. Okay. Which is why when she looks at Pandits and says, "That's your Dadaji," I'm like, "Oh fuck, is that my Dadaji?" So I also have not met him. So you never know. So my mother
मेरी
came into
फटती
this-
कब है जब मेरा कुत्ता कभी कभी घर पे आता है and he suddenly starts looking somewhere in the corner of the room.
That's because you're
I'm like क्या देख रहा है
because
तू?
he's a dog.
little druggy.
No,
your
but
dog
he's
sounds
just looking like he's attention deficit. ADD होता है हर कुत्ते को. It's
What?
very surprising to watch a dog just.
What the fuck is going on in the animal world?
That's
What
all the
fuck?
dog is
No,
doing.
wait. My story was my mom came to
Yeah,
came
to your
home.
house.
Okay, and
Your
I
current house.
Current house, and I really like my current house. I'm like, don't find anything.
Should we
wrong,
dox you
don't
or what?
find anything wrong, don't do it. So my mom went around, and my mom also walks. Now she knows, now because I like it. Now she puts extra. OTT she does. Okay, so she's walking around slowly without any conversation. She's walking around
With
slowly.
Payal.
Okay, no, my mom doesn't believe in Payal. She just freaks you out anyway. So she's walking around everywhere. Then she comes to the room, which is my writer's room. Okay, and my mom looks around, and then she walks out. Then she comes back and she looks around. I'm like, just tell me what is it? She's like, no, nothing. Everything is fine. And then she goes to my father and she just this kuspus. I'm like, don't fucking do kuspus. Tell me what is it? My
यहाँ पे कौतुक ने ghost story बताया है.
Exactly. Okay. And my mom is like, इस कमरे में कुछ like old people used to live and they have died very unhappily.
Oh.
So this room is very negative.
oh
But that's your writer's room.
Okay, that's my writer's room.
and that's why shows like Pushpa will come
Yeah.
Also, explain to me something. If this is such a big theory where you believe what your mom's vibe is, then why the fuck don't you get up before you sign the rent agreement?
Which my mom never turns up. No, but the story is not done yet. Because I'm like, oh, whatever, what you're saying. This woman lives in the US. ये तो खाली पड़ा था. And then I met my neighbor who is Maria. And her husband is Ivor. So Maria came and she's
यार
like,
has to be a Catholic.
Catholic लोग
Catholic
and
next
भूत
to-
लोग.
Okay, so we all know now where Sumukhi lives.
क्योंकि भूत देखने के बाद ये ऑटोमेटिकली आता है ना
हाँ.
तू राम रहीम
हाँ.
रोनाल्डो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता ये
so Maria invited me for cold coffee. Okay, because why not? So I'm having cold coffee and I'm like, oh, so this house and all. It's like, who used to live before? Why I had to ask? And she's like, no, the parents used to live here and they were very unhappy when they died. And I'm like, no.
You think your mom speaks to your neighbors?
I honestly feel your mother went and spoke to the neighbor and then she's like, अभी मैं सुमुखी
Guys,
को
my
डराऊंगी.
mom doesn't talk to Christians. What do you say?
That's the problem in the story, Sumukhi.
So I'm like, oh no. And every time I look around my house now, I'm like, oh, I'm really sorry if your daughter was mean to you. If you want something from me, I'll feed a crow or something.
But tell me